welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram keeps stopping. So if you have been facing this issue of Instagram keeps stopping, this video is for you. Please, if you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. It really helps a lot. So let's dive right into the video. So a lot of people have been facing this issue of Instagram keeps stopping, and I'm here to help. So first thing you have to do is close off the Instagram app, and first thing you have to do is go to your phone settings. So once you go to your phone settings, you scroll down all the way to apps. So once you're at apps, you wait for all your apps to actually load up, right? So you can either choose to search for it or just wait to load. So it has finished loading. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll all the way down to Instagram. So I'm going to scroll all the way to Instagram. So click on Instagram, and once you're at Instagram, you scroll down a little and you're going to click on storage. Once you click on storage, you're going to clear up your cache and also clear up your data. So bear in mind that if you clear up your data, that you're going to log out from your account. So after doing that, you go back and you can see everything is in place. So after doing this, the next thing you have to go do is go to your Play Store or Apple Store, and you're going to search for Instagram. So once you search for Instagram, you're going to try to update your app. So once you update the app, you'll be able to open up the app and it's not going to stop anytime. So it's as simple as this. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.